In this video, I will guide you on how to connect and use a micro SD memory card on your iPad. Now the process is quite simple, and because we cannot directly connect this micro SD memory card directly into our iPad, in my case, my iPad over here is a USB-C. As you can see, yours can actually be a lightning port whatsoever. We'll be needing some kind of adapter or SD card reader. Now in my case over here, I do have this SD card reader, and as you can see, mine at the bottom has a slot for an SD card and a micro SD card, but then it actually comes with different ports as well. So there is actually a port for USB-C, which actually works with my iPad now, and then there is also a port for Lightning and then a USB as well. Also, if your card reader or adapter is actually a USB directly, then you can actually just use a tiny adapter like this one that takes in a USB and then gives you either a Lightning port or USB-C, and then just connect it to your SD card reader like so, and you can now connect this directly into your iPad as well. So in my case, I have a direct USB-C, so I won't be needing all of that, but then links to all of these will actually be in the description of this video in case you want to get it. Now once you have your card reader that works perfectly with your iPad, you want to go ahead and get your micro SD memory card and then insert it into the micro SD memory card slot, and then you can now connect it into the USB-C of your iPad, or if it is a Lightning port, also make sure you connect the Lightning port into your iPad. Now you can also go ahead and open up your iPad. Keep in mind that once you connect this, you're not going to get any form of notification or pop-up on your iPad, but at this point what you want to do is to open up the Files app on your iPad. Now you can literally see the Files app over here, but if you cannot find yours, what you can do is to just swipe down like so, and you have the option to actually search for files from over here. Go ahead and open it up. Now what you want to do is to just tap on this sidebar on the left hand side over here to open up the sidebar, and from over here you can now find my micro SD memory card, which is actually no name. If you cannot find the name of your micro SD memory card, you do not have to worry. Towards the end of this video, I will give you a solution to fix that problem. But if you can find yours from over here, just go ahead and select it, and now you can view all of the content on your micro SD memory card. Now, if you actually want to copy or move some of the content from your micro SD memory card into your iPad, you can just long press on that particular content, whether it's a video, photo, whatsoever. For instance, this one over here, you just have to long press on it, and you're going to see the option to move from over here, and also the option for you to share it. Now, if you tap on the share option, you have the option to directly save this image into your phone's gallery. So if I tap on save to phone's gallery over here and then go over to my phone's gallery from over here, you can tap on this sidebar icon on the left hand side. Now tap on recently saved, and you should be able to find that particular image from over here. If you actually want to move it directly into the Files app on your iPad, from the Files app, go ahead and long press on that particular image, video, whatsoever content again. Now instead of the share, tap on the move option, and now you can now select your iPad, and if you tap on the copy option, it should directly paste or copy that particular image, video, whatsoever into your iPad. But if you also want to put it in a particular folder, you can just go ahead and select that particular folder and then copy it into this particular folder. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and save it directly into my iPad without creating a particular folder. So I'll tap on the copy option from over here, and you can see it has now been copied into my iPad. And if I go over to my iPad from over here now, you can see that particular image. Finally, for those that are unable to find the name of their micro SD memory card from over here, and you've tried everything possible, usually the cause of this is the fact that your micro SD memory card is not on the right format. So you want to go ahead and format your micro SD memory card to FAT32 or exFAT by simply just connecting it to a laptop or PC. Once you're done, you can go ahead and connect it back to your iPad, and trust me, it will work out perfectly fine. If this was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.